In the bustling city of Kingston, nestled on the shimmering island of Jamaica, science and tradition fused in a future where technology and culture danced in harmony. At the heart of this city was Grandmaster Funky, a legendary figure known for his wisdom, charisma, and unyielding commitment to balance. One day, a mysterious virus spread through the city's neural networks, causing chaos. Drones malfunctioned, communication lines jammed, and the people's minds were clouded with confusion. The government, overwhelmed, declared a state of emergency and imposed a soft disciplinary martial law, an innovative approach where authority was maintained with minimal force, emphasizing understanding and discipline rather than suppression. Grandmaster Funky was appointed to oversee the intervention. Instead of deploying brute force, he harnessed the city's tech, augmented reality interfaces, biofeedback devices, and AI companions to gently guide the citizens back to stability. Funky's method was inspired by the Jamaican philosophy of nonviolence and respect, blending ancient wisdom with cutting-edge science. He broadcast a calming hologram across Kingston, speaking in rhythmic patois. "Me brethren, we work together, take care of one another. This virus, it a try break we spirit, but we a strong, resilient people." As he spoke, the city's neural pathways realigned, and the chaos subsided. Over the next few hours, Funky's soft disciplinary approach restored harmony. The virus was contained, and the city learned a vital lesson. Even in the face of chaos, compassion and discipline, guided by wisdom, can restore peace without destruction. From that day, Grandmaster Funky was celebrated not just as a sci-fi hero, but as a symbol of resilience rooted in Jamaican spirit, proving that true strength lies in understanding, unity, and respect.